I wanted to say thanks for tuning in and checking out a brand new video today. Today we are starting the playlist on the channel of me and Dan Harrow rapping the Nissan GTR. This is an epic moment for the channel because it's the first car that not only I'll have ever rapped on the channel, but I don't think we've ever actually filmed any rapping content on this channel. So get excited, it's happening. This is the first of a 3-video playlist. Make sure you smash the like button for me. That'll get me hyped if I see the likes are up. And also I wanted to remind each and every single one of yous that it is the 15th, the 13th, it is the 13th of December when you're watching this video, and you've still got plenty of time to get your OWNA orders in for Christmas presents or just for yourself for around the Christmas holiday season period, etc. We've got loads of new hoodies, a lot of them at the moment. I've got the small logo on the front and then massive back print on the back. There's also a crazy deal, which is free t-shirt with every single hoodie right now. The link is in the description, ownerofficial.com, or just Google OWNA and you'll find us. Make sure you add your free t-shirt by picking your favourite one, add it to your basket with a hoodie and it'll drop to $0. Anyway, that's enough. I'll send yous over for rap video number 1. Enjoy the show. Welcome to a brand new video. Today we have got an epic video because today is the official beginning of rapping my car. Who even are you? Why are you in my garage? Who is this man?
I'm lost. I'm miles
He's lost.
home.
I'm going to show you the colour and I'm going to show you who I've got in on lease. Check it. Name, age, sex, location.
Ralph, about 6 months. Name, Dan Harrow. Do you want full name or?
If people haven't seen this man's face before, he's the guy with the twisted exhaust on a Mark 7 Golf.
23.
How long have you been rapping cars?
Coming up 2 years now. Like, as a job, that is.
We're going to get straight into this. We're going to be filming at a pretty fast-paced few videos. Before we go any further in today's video, Dan's going to hold up the colour of the wrap on the wing against the bonnet and the headlights to get you really excited. Shout out Vinyl Frog, www.vinylfrog.com. You can buy your vinyl direct off them guys. They've got thousands of colours. It's going to be...
I couldn't have showed a bigger piece.
It's going to be absolutely fire in the booth. I've always wanted purple, and it felt like the right car to lean into the purple hype. Mr. Daniel Harrow.
Hey.
What are you using?
What am I using?
Yeah, what is that?
My electric ratchet.
Let's have a look at it. Damn! Little piece that. This is Dan's dog, Ralph. What are you saying, Ralphie, lad?
The lights, mate.
Go on, let's see where you are.
You're going to need it untwisted.
Yeah, okay, go on then. So where we are.
Remove it.
The bloody bumper's off, mate.
Right, give him a twist.
What, like that?
Yeah, twist.
Whoa, we've got bulbs.
That one will have a plug in it.
You were on it, weren't you? And then what about this one?
Yeah, twist that. That other one should have a plug in it.
Yeah, it does.
And then you've got to do the same the other side.
The first part is off the Nissan GTR. So, front bumper is off. Side blades, GTR logos and the downward ones are off. So right now, next on the list is headlights are coming out. We've took the spoiler off. We were fighting with it for like an hour and then realised it was double-sided tape. But the spoiler is now on the ground and off the GTR. Screechy beast.
This is an old
trusted used member.
Retired
It's
one.
good to stick to what you know, mate.
It's an old retired one, so you can
Yeah, you don't mind a little retired piece every now and again though, do you?
have some respect for yourself.
Have you ever used a camera before? Today is the transformation video. We've got one box which is open, which is going to be handy. We've got another box, which is number 2 of part number 4. 2 of a 4-part combination. We've got box number 3, which is number 3 of a 4-part combination. And we've got box number... don't worry, I'm not going to put you through the end of that. This is a standard This is a standard GTR tailpipe. Pretty dead. That was hot from where we heated it up. These are from my boy Sam, 4-Second Racing Club. Check it. 4SRC. And basically, these are titanium rear tips, as you can see. Whoa. But I'm going to run them right at the very end, probably like there, so that they're so sticky outy in titanium colour, which is going to look mad with the colour wrap that we're going today. Is that right? Yeah. Ow! It snapped. Check out my new blowtorch, mate. I'm on it now. See?
You went to cut the tape and you went through the whole side of it.
Whoa! Look at these bad boys. It is exhaust tip face number 2.
It is exhausting.
Please! Look at them bad boys, man. This is some GTR transformation, this. What have you done since we've last seen you?
So all the prep.
What's that mean? Took all the trims off like this?
Yeah. So trims, any bits you can get off, get off. Any bits you get away with leaving on, like handles and stuff, cutting around them, because we're leaving them black and doing the handles black. Haven't got to take them off. Give it a good clay bar, decontaminate it all.
Yeah, you clay barred the hell out of this, didn't you? Look shinier already, to be fair.
Yeah, just give it a good, like, proper once over.
What are them things in your hand?
On the floor.
Why do you need magnets?
So when you're doing like solo installs or you're lining panels up and stuff, it's always easier to pin it in place first and then...
Can you make eye contact with the camera, please?
No. We'll start again. Go. Fresh.
Boosh. Okay, we are laying the first piece of vinyl right now. Enjoy. This is going to be mad. Well, and where am I going to? The tape or further?
Just a bit further than that tape.
Alright, we're a bit further on it.
Yeah.
It's done. That was quick, that. How crazy does that look? Oh my days. Damn! This is going to be a madness.
Right, flip. Yeah, just getting it to the right size.
No way, that's what it's going to look like. Just leave it like that, it's fine.
Just decked.
Flapping.
Done.
Damn. Look at that. Actually well glossy, innit?
Proper. This is the same brand I got on mine.
Yeah, yours is like British Racing Green, isn't it?
Yeah. Should see that colour coming up again soon.
How regularly do you make mistakes? Never.
I'd rather not answer that.
Yeah. Look at the carbon and the purple. What a collaboration. You are mad, aren't you? Mate! It looks mad! You're on it, aren't you? It's like a confidence game.
What? Wrap?
Yeah, I would never rag it like that. What are your thoughts on the purple so far, lad?
Bright.
Mad, innit? Look, from here. Looks crazy. A lot of purples and pinks, and this isn't even nearly what it looks like. Once the actual paper comes out of it, it's crazy. Once the actual like top paper comes off.
Yeah, the top cap.
The old top piece. So as you can see, what he's doing right now is squeegeeing, I'm guessing, the easiest part.
Yeah, you want to get that centre line in. And the only reason I still got a top cap on at the moment is just because it holds the whole film tight.
Alright, so when you're ragging it and stuff, so you get it in place, then peel it off.
Yeah, wrapping it.
Yeah. Jeez. The centre line is looking fresh. Oh my god. Wait, that is such a rich purple.
Just pull it. Yeah.
Don't pull too hard with my hands.
Yeah, so just hold it and you'll see it lay flat. Now just come down with it. And a bit short there, but that's alright, we can get that one bit in. Basically for like
Touching it.
putting all this in and stuff, it's just a glove and it's really smooth. Put your hand in there.
Insanity, man. Okay, you guys are gonna lose your mind. Check this out. It's insane. Jeez. Taking shape in it, matey.
Slowly.
Just getting your edges in. So as you can see, full rear quarter is now on and stuck down. All the way up and around the top. The door is now done. As you can see, down the door, all the way to the edge of the door. How's the GTR, considering you've never even wrapped a GTR?
Some areas are a bit more difficult than others, but... Right, so now...
But I'm going to pull it down so it doesn't pull at all.
There you go, get this bottom bit.
You keep an eye on your camera, you. You get your mitts off. Leave this to the professionals. Feels weird to be a vinyl frog installer. Leave it to the professionals, lad. Stick that there.
You're on your own, champ.
Watch this, I will honestly wrap this right now. You have no idea what you're dealing with. People underestimate my skill set. And I'm better when I want something doing properly. Right, give me that big gun. Watch this, lad. That here. I make sure I don't burn through the other vinyl. Oh, the whole fast piece. Yeah, you had two hands in it.
Right.
Right, I'm going to start with the top.
That's it. Don't worry about that front half yet. You'll come back and get that.
Come back to that.
Yeah, so get this top corner going. Go slow and closer with the hoop. That's it. That's it. Now come further up to my hand, so you get all this. That's it. Now put... Watch your trousers.
You do it that way, don't you?
Yeah. Just don't burn your trousers. Alright. Get the hoop. Do this bit.
I'll be annoyed if I hate this wing. And I love the rest of my car. I'll be like, why did I let him convince? Ow! Dan, sort it out, lad. He makes it look easy, you know. Insane colour, man. Jeez! Jeez! Light working for you, this lot.
What do you mean? You've done all this. I'm just trimming it up. Do it 45, so you do it like a V, and then you do it back.
Yeah, got you. I knew that anyway. Back off, lad.
So why would you fucking like you sweeping it? Do it as a big arc. Yeah, that's it. And then back.
Do you know what I'm thinking? I might start wrapping cars, you know?
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Mate, this is chilled, this. Actually could speed it up.
Hang on.
Mate, it is hot in here. Mate, that air release is mad. Real talk, yeah? Kurt, actually have a look at this, watch. That's a bubble there, yeah? Watch. Mate, that's mad. Are you mad? How big can it get rid of it?
Harry, just do this corner, please.
What?
Stop popping bubbles. Just do this corner.
Look at this, watch. Mate, that's mad. That's a new technology that my great-great-grandfather invented called air release. Have I done it bad? Yeah.
No, just keep going. Want me to hold this side?
Yeah. You don't want to be a part of this, and you don't want to be a part of this side, do you? Oh, fuck there, isn't it? Get excited, video number 2 will be coming probably after the next BMX video of wrapping the Nissan GTR. Obviously, a lot of you have seen it because on Instagram it has been published already, but it's not the same as watching a install video. They kind of serve different purposes in my humble opinion. So yeah, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed a pretty cool video. Shout out Dan Harrow for wrapping the car with me. Shout out Vinyl Frog for supplying the vinyl for us to smash. And shout out everyone that's got involved in the comments. Smash the like button for me, and do not forget, right now we have got a crazy deal on OWNA, and you've still got plenty of time to get your Christmas presents in. Free t-shirt, every single hoodie. At the moment we have got small logo fronts with massive back prints. Go and check them out at ownerofficial.com or search OWNA on Google and you'll find us right at the top. Thanks for getting involved with all my projects and OWNA and stuff like that. I really appreciate it. Until then, I will see you for the next video on the channel. Peace out.